Hello and welcome back. So now in this lecture we'll learn about how to create a YouTube channel art. So search for YouTube channel art on canva.com and then you will find the required dimension. Then we can get started on creating a YouTube channel art. For the case of YouTube channel art, what I would recommend main is always go through the templates that's created here, and you can create of your own. But since a YouTube has to be opened on your TV or your different dimensions of computer and different mobile, on the app, on the browser in a different way. So the text, if you write, it will get in different position and it will be all a problem in one device while maybe it will be working on the next. So designers behind the Canva have designed this YouTube channel art, looking towards appropriate text and how to incorporate them. So I would suggest you, whenever you try to create for this YouTube channel art, go through your templates designs that's already been created here. So let's see, and let's select one and let's create. After selecting the word, let's create one for one. So maybe you have a personal YouTube channel, then you can use something like this one. Or maybe for your brand, you can use something like this one. Even this one looks nice. So let's see. Since earlier we did from a YouTuber perspective, even we can do again from a YouTuber perspective. We can do something like, maybe if you are a travel blogger, then you can use something like this. So I like this idea. So let's see, we can do something more with it. So if you are a gamer and you stream a lot, then you can use this sort of designs. Or let's try filtering it with some minimalistic and some simple, also some modern looking. So the way I see here, so if you have a personal blog channel, you can use these sort of designs. I saw this one earlier. Even this one looks nice and simple to be used. So if you have a travel vlog, then you can use this one as well. So let's actually use this one. I like this one. So let's select this one. And I guess we are selected this one as well. Never mind, let's actually work on this one first and let's see if we get some time, then we can use on that as well. So this one is created more from a travel vlog perspective, and for this background image you can keep your own image. So for now, let me see if I am currently in pixels.com, and let me see if I have searched for travel, and let's see if we get some nice inspiration image that we can use. This seems to be a good idea. I think this will even match with these images. So let's see if some more is available. Even this would be a good match. So it would be better if you include some of your personal photo, and you can even search in on Splash. And this has an option. So if you use this one also, this would look nice, because but the resolution might be different. You would have to reduce this size. So keep searching for more. So even this one would look nice, both of these. So you can also search on your stock snap IO. This look nice. I guess this was an sponsored content from Shutterstock, and I don't think Shutterstock provides you a download for free. So yeah, you'll find some sponsored content as well. But then, so I like this idea right here when used in this way, because I guess if you have traveling, then these sort of images you can find a lot of around. So I'm trying to see if something can be related and can be used. This is nice. Let's download it and download it. So while that's done, you can simply go to uploads and simply upload it. Now as this has been selected, if you want to keep it right at here, you can also drop it at here, and once it's done uploading, it will straightforward change your image back at here. So let's see. And flip it horizontally. So yeah, now I'm seeking for this to match. Now this matched perfectly. Okay, let's see if this also, and now group them. Since they were not grouped properly, let's see, ungroup them and shift to all of these. Now group them. I want them a bit at the bottom so that this mountain is seen good. And always keep this inside the ruler. You can see this pink color ruler guide that's created. Try to keep your text always inside this one. And now you can write here your name, or since your channel would already have your name, so what I'd suggest you to write here, maybe thank you for the recent like 100,000 viewers, something like that, or subscribe for more awesome contents. So let's increase this spacing. Let's see what's near to 76 per 80, and even this to 64. So if you want to increase it more, you can definitely always do that. I think I'll increase this one to somewhere around 70. And letter spacing, I prefer to keep it long. While at the meantime, I prefer to reduce this one, as well as this one. So yeah, that will be done for this image. You can see I like this one, so subscribe for more awesome contents. And this will be one of your travel blog designs. So this one's completed, and I guess we forgot to rename this. So YouTube channel art 1 tutor. So that would be one. And since we have selected this one earlier, so why not select something for this as well? So earlier I like this image. Let's download it, and we'll try to complete this also as quick as possible. So let's upload the image at here. Let's select one more. This time select from OneSplash. So while you can see here what sort of image is being used. So you are in your backpack, seeing an ocean view, and even this one you are in your backside and seeing a sunset view. So this one is quite matching to that. Let's include this one. So that's downloaded, and inside this I uploaded this as well. So let's try to include this one there, and this image right at here. Let's try to include it somewhere like this. And you can give one more image, a hole in the back, and you can again write here. Perhaps this time you can write thank you for 500,000 views, thank you for 1 million views, or simply you can write here, let's write again the same thing, subscribe, and give it a little spacing so that matches the fields. And that would be all. I guess this is a match. If you prefer to give it a background, perhaps let's see if we can find some more background. So for these two images to put, I think giving this as a background in those images would look nice. So while that's uploaded, YouTube channel art to Twitter. So this one, creating this YouTube channel art is not that difficult because we used the already available templates, so that was an easy way to do that. So if you drag these to here, now you can see. So now this is actually a good match. Actually, what we can do for this is, let's do it. I wanted to show you guys something more to make it look more interesting. Yeah, so that would be the amount I'd like to use on the screen. And now go this position to back. Let's see, so we are in the back, and now this would even look better. You can see this color and this matches, so this will look nice. So here we are completely creating another one as well. So now you can do a full screen and see how it looks, and this is giving a very nice feel. Even for this one, let's see how this one looks. So I like this one as well. So that you can create a YouTube channel art in this way. And I hope you like this lecture, and I hope you got a general idea. And again, I am saying you use the templates for YouTube channel art route because of the difficulty in adjusting for different dimensions on YouTube platform. So that would be all. Now I'll see you in the next lecture then. Thank you.